Is this,
That's
okay,
mine.
That's mine.
so,
No.
Just kidding.
let's see if we can actually move in for the brain, although if we can't, I'm fine with that. The brain is very, very small. Hang on. Let's see if I can do it. Because some of you are thinking, well, you won't have a pin small enough to put in the brain of an earthworm. Okay, Myers, hand-eye coordination. Focus, focus. Oh, sweet, look at that. That is the brain of an earthworm. A pair of cerebral ganglia. Pick that up on your cameras. I love it. I doubt I'll be able to, he's looking at me, this guy's a nut. Anyway, no, it's like you need something that magnified to see it. Do you see that? Let's see if we can get that focused again.
Well, the only thing out there would be the brain.
Right there. 2 ganglia, 2 clusters of nerves. How cool is that? That is the brain of an earthworm, which would be insulting to tell somebody they have the brain of an earthworm. All right, moving right along. Tell me, what else do I need?
Pharynx.
Here you go. This whole structure here, pharynx. Keep going.
Hearts.
Hearts. If I remember correctly, 5 pairs of hearts. Now, they're more like pumping vessels, but they're hearts of sorts. Okay. And they're cool because this is really great. Now, watch this. Let's see. Who did this dissection? Yeah, and yours is great. This one is just a little bit more open. Let me see. One moment, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of hearts. These right here, folks. Myers, move it down. All right. They're hearts. Look at this. Here's a pair. Here's a pair. Here's a pair. And here's a pair. Right? They're like little black commas in there. Let me lift one. See if you can see it. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it moving? That's kind of cute, isn't it? Those are hearts. See, this is the great stuff about anatomy. You can look at the atlas, but to actually see the actual animal, and some of you guys are going to go big time where you're looking at what? Human cadavers and that sort of thing. That's when you learn anatomy. Okay, what else do we need?
Seminal vesicles.
Yes, that is not somebody that went to Florida State, a seminal vesicle. Okay, little humor. Okay, the way you remember this, the largest ones are the vesicles that are, obviously, this is a hermaphrodite, seminal referring to the male, okay? Seminal vesicles are the largest ones. Got it? They're white bodies. The smallest ones are what we call the seminal receptacles. One moment, please. There's a beautiful receptacle, if that's possible. Ah, get that pin out of the way. Hang on. I may do this. Vesicle, receptacle. Seminal receptacle, seminal vesicle. Got it? And you'll be able to see this. Some of you are saying, yeah, Myers, I see it now, but I can't see it. Once, take a look at this. I'm also going to add that there is a photograph in the atlas that's superb. So the way I would advise doing it is look at photographs in the atlas, and it looks like this. What else do we need?
Dorsal blood vessel.
The dorsal blood vessel, I think you saw before. We had it, obviously, with some of the other worms. If we were to turn this guy over, you would see him, right? So it's a blood vessel, obviously, running along the back. Okay, what else?
Crop.
Yes. Remember, you've got a couple of parts here that are extremely important as it relates to the digestive system. Okay? And let me take a look here 1 second. Okay, beautiful. The way you remember this is crop, gizzard, intestine. You see this been punctured, there's some soil coming out of that. Crop,
Oopsies.
gizzard, intestine, right? That runs the entire length of the animal. What else?
You tell them?
Clitellum, that's the little cigar band, right? And you know where that is, right?
It's on the
Basically, let's take a look, see if we can. The clitellum, we see the sides of it, right? The animal was whole, obviously the clitellum would be that little band around there. What is the function of the clitellum? Secrete a mucus cocoon. Okay, what else?
Setae.
The setae, well, you'd have to feel for them, they are little, they're little bristles at the end of the animal. Okay, is that it?
That's it.
Do we have any more animals?